Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about an update regarding to sales invoices. So I am just coming in invoice section, just click on new invoice. Okay, so this one is classic view. Okay, so we have been using this to create our sales invoice, and you can see the message here on 1st September 2024 this version of invoice will be retired. So it's mentioned that we have introduced a new version which is time saving and easier. Okay, so just click on switch to new version. Okay, because from 1st September you are not able to use the previous version, means which we have been using as of now. So that will be retired from 1st September. So this one is new version. Okay, and here you can see that the invoice is already in draft section. I'll explain that what is the meaning of auto draft. Now just create a new customer here. Okay, so earlier email, billing address and other fields was not appearing. Now if you enter the data, then you can enter from here easily and just click save to save the data. Now in issue date, there is option of today and tomorrow. Okay, there is nothing change here. Same way in due date, you will get such kind of suggestions like in 7 days, in 14 days, 1st of next month, 20th of next month. Okay, so these are the suggestions. Then invoice number is here, then the reference is here, then online payment status, then currency. Now this one is good option, show and hide fields. If you want to use any fields, you can select or you can deselect to show and hide the fields. Like suppose if I don't want discount, then I will deselect the discount option, so it will remove from here. Okay, now in description I am just entering the sales data, then in quantity just enter quantity, then price, then in accounts we have to just select sales. And you can also create new accounts from here. Same way you can create new tax rate and you can select the tax rate from here. Now in tax amount field you can make any kind of modification, like if you want to make such kind of changes in tax amount, then you can do it from easily. Okay, now amounts are tax inclusive, exclusive or no tax. Same way you can attach file from here. Fine. Now here you can see that all the changes saved as draft. Suppose you can save the invoices and all the things from here. And if I do not save the invoices and just clicking on dashboard, okay, I do not save any invoice and I directly click on dashboard, still my invoice will be saved as draft. As you can see that the status is draft. And again I have to open the invoice, then after I have to approve it. Okay, I can approve and I can approve and add another, then I can click on approve and get link, then I can approve and print PDF. Okay, so there are 4 options. Now my invoice has been approved here, and you can also track whether the invoice is sent or not sent to the customer. So there is option of sent. Okay, now I'm just selecting the sent here, means this invoice has been sent to the customers directly. Fine. Now you can see that you can also track the sent and unsent items. Fine. So the new version seems very good as compared to the previous classic version. Now just clicking on that particular invoices. So current status you can see awaiting payment. Now from this option you can select the void. If you want to cancel the invoice, you can create and apply the credit note directly. Then you can click on repeat, you can copy to draft invoice, you can generate link, you can email that particular invoice, and you can also edit this invoice. Fine. And when we talk about the preview of this particular invoice, then it is similar to the previous version. There is no such kind of changes in the preview. Fine. So it's similar to the previous version. So sales invoice is similar to the previous version. Fine. Here you can see the different column like description, quantity, unit price, VAT and total. Fine. So this one is little bit update regarding to the sales invoice. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.